I want to talk about this mini cordless vacuum cleaner from Minthouz. This was a gift from my daughter, and I'm really excited to get it. I needed something for cleaning my truck that was portable and also doing some cleanup around the house, specifically down around my wood stove. I'll show you that in a minute. First, what do you get? This is the main unit right here. You can see it's got the bottom stand right there. So if you want to set it upright, you can. You have an attachable cleaning wand. Additionally, it gets the charging cord, and you get a really nice bag for storage. And operation is a piece of cake. It's got a couple functions. You've got a light right there, which is going to help if you're cleaning your truck out or your vehicle when it's dark. And powering up is a piece of cake. You just hold the power button down and it kicks in. Charging is easy. Comes with a USB-C charging connection that you saw, and it doesn't take long to charge at all. And you can see right down here, this is down in my basement by my wood stove. As I'm sometimes I'm putting wood in the stove, or sometimes taking some ash out of the stove. I've been known to make quite a mess. It's a pain in the butt to get out a shop vac or a regular vacuum cleaner, so this is going to make that type of cleanup so much easier. When it's full, you simply take it off, take out the filter, empty it, and you can get back to work.